Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. First, from your console's home screen, locate and select the gear-shaped icon for system settings. Once inside, scroll down the left-hand menu until you find the Internet option. After selecting Internet, choose Internet settings to prepare for network adjustments. This initial step sets the foundation for accessing Roblox through an unofficial browser method. Next, select your active Wi-Fi network from the list of available connections. Then, choose the Change Settings option to modify its configuration. Scroll down to find DNS settings and change it from automatic to manual. For the primary DNS, carefully input the numbers 045.055.142.122. Leave the secondary DNS as all zeros. Remember to save these changes. After saving your DNS changes, try connecting to your Wi-Fi network. The connection will intentionally fail, which is expected. When prompted, select Next to proceed. This will redirect you to the Switch Brew DNS page, which acts as a gateway to a hidden browser. From this page, you can access Google. Once on Google, simply search for roblox.com and log into your account to begin playing. It's important to remember that this method is unofficial and accesses Roblox through a web browser, not a dedicated application. Performance might not be ideal, and some features could be limited. For regular Nintendo Switch online activities, always switch your DNS settings back to automatic. This ensures your other games and applications function correctly. Enjoy exploring the world of Roblox on your Switch, but manage your expectations for this workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.